Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we are going to talk about outlines in CSS. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. An outline is similar to a border, but their main difference is that an outline goes outside the border. So let me show you. So first, let's have our content, and let's box this off. So this here is the content box, and then we're gonna have a little bit of padding around. So this here is the padding, and then comes the border. This box right here is the border, and the border just borders the element. And where the outline comes in is that it actually goes outside the border. So let me get one sec. So the outline goes outside the border, right outside. So the border is the black square, and the outline is the red square. So, as you can see, there isn't much of a difference between these two things, the outline and the border. And since there isn't much of a difference, these two are basically used interchangeably. But it is good to know that the outline goes outside the border. And the outline is what's supposed to highlight the element and make it stand out. Whereas the border also highlights the element, but its purpose is to kind of like close off this content box. So yeah, so now that we've established what the difference between that is, let's go to our VS Code and let's work on that. Okay, so here we have our HTML document. So we have our paragraph tag, hi, I'm FH coding, and this is just our text that we are going to put the outline on. And then we have over here the link to our style sheet, which is currently empty. So let's style this. So basically, the outline is very similar to border in the sense of its commands and how to state it and how to make the outline. So for the outline, you just go outline dash style, and there's a lot of styles similar to border. There's dashed, dotted, and there's an option for no outline. There's a grooved outline, a ridged outline, so many others. But for this one, let's just go with dashed. So this is our outline, and I'm gonna do outline dash color, and let's make this let's go red. And now, in order to see the difference between the outline and the border, I'm gonna make a border. So I'm gonna do border dash style, and I'll make this solid, and I'll make the border color I'll make the border color something that stands out. So let's go with blue. And so, as you noticed, with the border, you can kind of like customize it from like the top side, left side, right side, and bottom. You can customize each one individually, but you cannot do that with the outline. It's a box that goes around the element. So yeah, now we have that. Let's hit save, file save, and now let's go over to our file explorer and let's open up margin. So let's double click on this. This is my file. And now let's open up our file, and in order to do that, just double click on this and it's going to make a new Chrome tab. And as you see, here we have our hi, I'm FH coding, and then we have our border and then our outline. So let me zoom in on this to make this a little easier to see. But basically, we have our hi, I'm FH coding, and we have our blue border, we have our red dashed out on the top of that. So yeah, this is Outlines, and although it's very similar to Border, there's a couple differences that I talked about. And the thing is, you can use both of these pretty much interchangeably. It doesn't make too much of a difference what you do. Border is just a little more customizable, and yeah, there's that. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.